So far in this mini project on expense tracking, we have learned the importance of keeping a detailed record of your expenditures for goal setting, some basic formatting and features of Google Sheets, how to use Google Finance to convert between currencies. And in this video, we are going to learn to create drop-down menus in Google Sheets in order to sort our spendings into their respective categories. I'm going to suggest some spending categories based on the transactions listed here, but feel free to create your own. In fact, it is advised that you tailor your expense tracker to your specific needs. So for example, instead of a broad spending category like food, perhaps you enjoy cooking in and eating out. So you might want to split up your food expenses to eating out versus shopping for groceries. Let's get started.
So taking a look at our raw data and what we have so far in our cleanup project, it's starting to look pretty tidy. To create a drop-down menu, the process is very simple. We're going to start by clicking B2, go to Insert, and then select Drop-down. Here we're going to enter the categories that were suggested in the Instructions tab. So let's put in each of those. Once you've inputted all the major categories, feel free to choose some colors that go along with each of those. Now, in order to fill the rest of our expense tracker with these categories, we can simply use the fill feature by hovering our cursor over the blue dot and then dragging this down. And now comes the fun part. We're going to sort each of these categories according to the details of our spending. This is food. Finance charges happened because I was not able to make my credit card payments on time. This is really bad. I was having a bad month there, so we're going to talk all about credit cards in this course. Bike repair, I'll put under other. Muji's stationery is going to be personal spending. Starbucks, we'll say food. Grab is transportation. T-shirt, personal spending. Food, nails, personal spending. Transportation. Massage, personal spending. Food here. I'll put this under housing. Food, a lot of food purchases. Passport is definitely for travel. Passport photos is also for travel. Fire documentary, I'll put under other. Tops, groceries, food. Grab, transportation, urban pantry, salad, food. All of these flights are for travel. Travel, and then the rent is housing. Okay, there we have it. So just a few quick tips here. You'll see that some of these categories are spilling over and we can't actually read the full text. So one of the things that you can do is actually adjust the width of your columns just by dragging the edges. Or another way is you can double click right here. Once you see this cursor change into a cross with a double arrow going horizontally, you just double click and then automatically we can see that the cell fits to the largest text there. And I'm going to actually tidy this up a little bit more by centering my text here. Let's also center all of these headings to make them look nice. And we're going to bold them as well. Okay, so there we have it. That's the drop-down menu. Check and check.
Well done. In the next video, we will create a summary table in order to organize our monthly expenses. See you in the next video.